Boost your self-confidence, 5 powerful lessons from Andrew Tate. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Wealth and Worldwide News. Today, we're diving into the world of self-confidence and learning from none other than the self-made millionaire and social media influencer, Andrew Tate. We'll be exploring 5 powerful lessons from Andrew that can help you boost your self-confidence and achieve success in life. So, let's get started. Lesson number 1 is to embrace your uniqueness. Andrew Tate believes that everyone has something unique to offer, and it's essential to recognize and embrace that. By doing so, you'll be able to build your self-confidence and stand out from the crowd. The second lesson from Andrew Tate is to develop a strong work ethic. Hard work and dedication are key to building self-confidence. When you put in the effort and see the results, you'll naturally feel more confident in your abilities. While we are busy sharing the knowledge of Andrew Tate, hit on the bell notification and subscribe so that you can be part of learning from the best. Lesson number 3 is to surround yourself with positive influences. Andrew Tate emphasizes the importance of having a supportive network of friends and family who believe in you and your goals. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you'll be more likely to maintain a high level of self-confidence. The fourth lesson is to set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements. Andrew Tate encourages setting achievable goals and celebrating your accomplishments, no matter how small. This will help you build momentum and maintain your self-confidence as you work towards bigger goals. Finally, lesson number 5 is to learn from failure and keep moving forward. Andrew Tate believes that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Instead of letting failure hold you back, use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. This mindset will help you maintain your self-confidence even in the face of setbacks. And there you have it. 5 powerful lessons from Andrew Tate on how to boost your self-confidence. Remember, self-confidence is a skill that can be developed and improved over time. By embracing your uniqueness, developing a strong work ethic, surrounding yourself with positive influences, setting realistic goals, and learning